So this king parrot's just come to my door. I'll see how close it wants to get. I think it's a young male because its red feathers are just starting to come through. Hey gorgeous. See if he gets closer to me. Hey. He's getting brave. Hey gorgeous. Just thinking about it. There we go. He's very brave. You're very brave. It's actually a little hard to work the camera because he seems to be a bit better when I'm looking directly at him rather than looking at the camera. He's still a little bit shy, but he's doing pretty well. If you can hear the sounds in the background as well, there's one bird going off, there's a frog as well, and then there's me going just to try to see if that will help him come over, because that's the kind of noise that they make to get my attention. So alright, we'll see if he wants one more little bite, and then I think we'll call it a day. This is actually morning here. In summer, when this is getting filmed, if you see it a bit later than that, it's because there's a bit of a backlog of videos that I'm working through. Alright, gorgeous. He's so cute. Can I get a close-up? Just zoom in for a bit of a close-up. I'll just, zoom in for a bit of a close-up. Yeah, so I think he's a young male. Just see if I can get from a different angle. Red feathers coming through. Very pretty. Hey. See if I can go all the way around. Very pretty boy. That's that. Alright, you. Well, I'm gonna get to work. You have a good day, and I'll see you next time, gorgeous. Alright, bye.